Hey guys, how's it going? So, High Tide released the earnings, but they didn't do a proper press release simply because shareholders was crashing their website all night long. So, I'm thinking that they just decided to call it a night and go home and, and then do a proper press release tomorrow, on Tuesday, because of all the shareholders crashing their website. But it did get released, and it's not on the website because they're probably sleeping right now. They're probably gone home, all the management. So if you look at the investing page, right? Oh, wait, what? Okay, yeah, down here. You see that they don't have the financial Q4 updated. But if you go on to SEDAR and you look under March 1st, 2021 at around 10:56 p.m. Eastern Time, they released the audit financial. So basically at 9 o'clock, because 10, it's about 9 o'clock my time, so an hour. So I missed it about an hour. So the earnings was out at around 9 o'clock at night. But they did get the information in time for the investors, and you click on the audit financials, you can see for yourself. So according to them, they still have $7.5 million of cash, which is pretty good because last 3 months they were sitting at about 7.1 million. So that means that they have controlled their cash burn. This company is not burning cash. They are growing, they're profitable, and they're using the profitability to continue to grow, and they are not burning through huge amount of cash. And with the retirement of liabilities, they currently have like zero debt on the company, because I think they converted a total, I could be wrong here, $27 million of financial liabilities. So that 11 million here and 14 million here. So they have literally, and then 2 million right here, 2.5 million. So that means that they have like literally zero debt on their balance sheet. They have no debt on their balance sheet. The only thing for liabilities is like the long-term contract liabilities, the lease liabilities. Yep, that's derived liabilities. I don't know most of these liabilities, but anyways, moving forward, the earnings, they did beat guidance a little bit, but I don't know on a quarterly basis. I think it's around $25 million. They did break even. Actually, they slight edge out a profit for the full year of 2020. The next year will be a lot better. This year was a slight profitability because they did have some quarters at the very beginning of the year where they were not profitable, and that kind of balanced it out. So the full year they made a slight profit of 796 of dollars essentially. So not bad at all. Not too much to say. I mean, and then if we take in some, foreign exchange, I guess financing and other costs is 10 million, and then other expenses, they came out to a net loss of about $6.354 million, which is not bad, but it is, they lose some money, but that's alright. They still have decent amount of cash on their balance sheet, and combined with the Meta's cash and the $23 million they raised, they have approximately almost $50 million of cash on the balance sheet, which is pretty nice. That's a lot of cash for them to continue to execute on this strategy. And the fact that they're profitable too, moving forward, they should be consistently profitable, hopefully. I don't know. Let's see how management controls the expenses. We should have another earnings report here out relatively soon, because this was for ending October 31st, 2020. We are basically in March right now. That means that they should have their December, January, and February earnings call coming up here very soon. I think so. November, December, January. So they should already have those 3 months up and ready. They just have to release it. So you should be expecting another earnings report very, very soon in the near future. Probably in the next couple weeks, maybe the next month. They will probably come out with another. So my guess is either this month they will come out with another earnings report, or the month after they will come out with another earnings report. But there should be another earnings report in the near future, and hopefully that is profitable, because if that is profitable, they will basically essentially be, moving forward, they should be completely profitable, and you should see profit after profit after profit, quarter over quarter over quarter. So that's very, very good. And with the support of shareholders, the company can now go out and execute and acquire attractive assets to grow their business, to grow their revenue, to grow their profit, and become a giant MJ company in the future. Hopefully that's the goal. Don't know if that will come true, but that is their goal right now. And with shareholder support, with I think this company can go very, very far in the future. Unlike Aurora, who just basically took shareholder money, opened up a furnace and shoved it in, High Tide is actually executing, actually growing the business, actually flipping a profit. So very, very good to see. So moving forward, I'm very excited to see what High Tide's earnings are going to be like. But let's just go back to the last earnings report, which was on September 16th. As you can see, their cash position was $7.1 million ending on July 31st. And you know the company is consistently under construction. They're building stuff. So they are spending cash. And the fact that their cash didn't decrease, it actually increased, which is a very good sign that they have their cash burn under control. They are not burning cash. They are actually generating cash and growing at the same time. And with the capital raise and with Metagrowth's cash on the balance sheet, this company balance sheet looks very good moving forward. Hopefully they are consistently profitable moving forward. That's what investors want to see. That's what people want to see. But hopefully tomorrow they break down the earnings. According to High Tide, they were supposed to generate, according to analysts, they were supposed to generate between $79.7 million and $80.6 million. They beat it by $3 million. $3 million. They beat it by $3 million, generating about 25 or 20, probably like 27 or 28 million dollars of revenue. I could figure it out by going back and figuring out every single quarter revenue, but I'm too lazy to figure that out. You guys can go and do that yourself. I don't really care. But yeah, I think it's about $28 million. I could be wrong. We'll see if they will break it down tomorrow. Hopefully they do. But yeah, and I actually didn't even read through this entire report because I'm kind of lazy. But yeah, you guys can read it if you want. I don't think it really matters at the end of the day, because I know the company is profitable. I know the company has a bright future, and I hope the stock doesn't sell off, because I want to see them list on the NASDAQ without a reverse split. I'm hoping more and more shareholders pile on, so then, they get listed on the NASDAQ without a reverse split, which would be nice. But I don't know if that'll be the scenario moving forward. We'll see. Anyways, that's all I really have to say in my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.